Mandy. Mandy on the street. Mandy. Mandy on the street. Mandy.
Hi, I'm Mandy Valencia and this is Mandy on the Street. Today is Rogue Valley Migratory Bird Day and I'm at North Mountain Park for a bird calling contest.
Take a white crowned sparrow and then she's going to do a western meadowlark.
That was sort of a joke.
That's
I love the meadowlark. Oh, I don't know why. I'll do the meadowlark first.
Do the meadowlark first? All right.
Okay. I'm a western meadowlark.
Western meadowlark.
I'm a western meadowlark. I'm a western meadowlark.
You got ID? You got ID? Carter. How about white crowned sparrow?
Okay.
White crowned sparrow, okay. Nice one. Wow.
The black-throated, like the warbler.
Black-throated gray warbler?
Yeah, yeah, I think that's it.
Okay, ready?
And I choose a nestling.
One is the lowest and that's the Isla's going to do an owl. I need to have a specific great horned owl. Great horn.
Great horn.
Great horn.
Sorry. Okay, here she goes. Do an owl.
Okay. Give her a 4.
Oh, she's also doing the blink.
She's doing what?
The blink.
The blink.
Great behavior. Yeah, I'm one of the judges. I'm a member of the Rogue Valley Audubon Society and the Klamath Bird Observatory.
Okay.
And I worked with North Mountain Park in doing the bird calling contest for this year.
I noticed in the rules that it said if you do like kind of some imitations of the bird, you may get better points.
That's correct.
Yeah.
And so the young lady that did the owl call and then she blinked, that was one of the best behaviors we had displayed here today. So that was why she won in her category.
Okay. Oh, great.
We have this little book at home called Little Hoot.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. And so in it, the little owl is learning to stare left and right and ponder and, you know, and blink.
So she learned from the Little Hoot book. What a hoot!
I know.
You won Birdopoly. And how did you win it?
By doing a bird call, the California quail.
How did you learn what the California quail sounds like and how to imitate it?
They had a little bucket over there, so I sort of heard it. And it was pretty easy, so I tried it a couple of times and I was like, hey, might as well try to enter, so.
Excellent. So it's your first time and you won. Wow, kind of a hidden talent, huh? Maybe. Maybe.
I'm a western meadowlark. I'm a western meadowlark. I'm a western meadowlark.
You know she's Mandy, Mandy, Mandy on the street. You know she's Mandy, Mandy, Mandy on the street.